This video is made possible by Vagabond Vacations. We are all the way in Can Soleil. We got Monica here today. We're gonna be shooting together. So yeah, let's go shoot. We do teamwork.
Oh.
Of course. First we can try a few here and then we move 2 or 3 to the back. Can you move a little bit to this side? Yes, this will be a nice one. I like it with the arm up. Okay, I come a little bit closer. Oh, this is pretty nice. Pretty cool. I think if we make one a little bit more close, it will feel like it's a full wall also. Can we try to put the right arm up again, maybe? Looks good. We can do something where we use the two, like you are holding them or something like this. I make a few. Yes, I like it when you look up because they're very tall and it's like you're holding the pillars. 4. Okay, this pose I like, it's gonna be good. I show you a few. So no, they will be very strong ones. You think it's possible to come a little bit closer? Yeah, the curves look very good, huh? And I think maybe we can make one where you are with the back against this side. Oh, okay, I'll show you it.
I will do something.
Aha. Oh. But you see the hair looks so beautiful like this. So I decided to switch the lens from the 50 to the 16 to 35 just to shoot a little bit wider because the pillars are super huge and if we shoot it wider they look even bigger.
Woo! Yes, go!
Oh, I want to make one with symmetry, so we have 1 foot on each side. Very strong. Can we see a little bit more of the arm when you pull it? Yes, like this. Oh, Monica, really? You will like it. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention There is Low during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation. So it's getting quite crowded over here at the pillars, and because we're shooting on a wide angle lens we decided to go a little bit to a different spot. There's a second viewpoint here which is like a beautiful gate going open in the middle of nowhere. So let's see what it looks like, but I'm sure we can make something beautiful over there.
We will do amazing picture together.
It's a bit crowded, so I think we're gonna wander off to the bushes for a while. Let's see what we can do here. I like these when you pull the hair. Excuse me, are you touching me, Jonah?
I can't touch the models, but I can.
Yeah, you can touch. You can touch my butt. Don't worry. Can we turn you a little bit more? You can turn with the legs also. Yes, so we get a little bit more light on you. Come a little bit closer. I will shoot you from the half so the arms are inside. Yeah, it's gonna be cool, right? Maybe something more open, we make it more of a big pose, but it looks good if you turn the body a little bit more, this side a little bit more, leg to the front. Looks very cool. It's gonna be very cool. I like it a lot.
Dario, I think you're cheating here because taking photos from Monica is really like a cheat code.
I don't mind cheating like this. Oh yeah, I like it when you hold it open. Oh yeah, okay, wait. It's beautiful.
Perfect.
Really. With the arms up.
1, 2, 3.
And you can maybe move it a little bit around in a natural. Yes, now we shoot 35. You can let it go. One from here also. Oh, really very good shot. I'm happy.
You're happy too.
Nice. That will be good.
I think this is gonna be a pretty epic drone shot, Dario.
Wait here, I'll be back. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching these shorter kind of POV photography videos. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.